It's a hummingbird. I'm trying to stay as still as possible. I have my sling on because I had my shoulder surgery, fixing my rotator cuff issue. I'm out here drinking my coffee. And what came up? I couldn't believe it. A beautiful hummingbird just loved my fuchsia plants. It's on the back side of my plant. Look for the little flapping wings. It is so fast, it's hard for me to stay focused on it. Isn't it just adorable? This hummingbird has been visiting my fuchsia plants, which is now why I will always get these all summer long. It is attracted to the color of the flower. We all know that they like red flowers. These are red and purple. Now that I know that the hummingbirds like them, I might get some for the backyard as well as my front yard. Did you see it fly up into the tree? I wasn't sure if it was going to come back. It's impossible for you guys to see it, but it is up there. You might be able to see it. Oh, there it is. It's back again. I can't wait to tell all my friends, and maybe we can all get fuchsia plants for next year and attract even more hummingbirds. I saw it fly really high up into the tree. I doubt you guys can see it on this video. But if you want to attract hummingbirds, get a fuchsia plant. Thanks for watching.